Hello everyone, good morning. I am Sunil. Welcome to my channel Sunil's Current Affair. I hope आपण समस्तଙ୍କ प्रिपरेशन ଭଲ ହିଁ ଚାଲିଥିବ କାହିଁକି ଆଗକୁ ଆମର ଆସୁଛି ସେକ୍ରେଟାରିଏଟ୍ ଏଏସଓ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଏଏସଓ ଲାଇଭ ଷ୍ଟକ୍ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ଟର ଯୋଉଟା କି 26 ରେ ଅଛି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକାଲ ଫିଲ୍ଡ ସର୍ଭେ ଓକେ ତ ଭାବୁଛି ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିପରେशन ଠିକ ଠାକ ଚାଲିଥିବ ତ ଆଜି ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା କ'ଣ ନା 2019 ରେ ଯୋଉ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରିଏଟ୍ ଏଏସଓ ହେଇଥିଲା ତାର ଜେନେରାଲ ନଲେଜ ର ଯୋଉ क्वेश्चन ସେଟା ଆମେ ଆଜି डिस्कसन करिया क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर क्लियर 100 क्वेश्चन तो आम जल्दी सारे ट्राए करिया बेसी सेशन को लंबा करिया कारण मजा आसोनी तो 30 मिनिट्स रे आई थिंक सरजिव भावुची मु तो चलतु आ डेरी करिया स्टार्ट करिया आज प्रथम क्वेश्चन ओके हु हैज बीन क्राउन्ड फेमिना मिस इंडिया वर्ल्ड 2018 ओके तो जेहेतु एटा 2019 रे एटा एग्जाम हेतला तो प्रायतः क्वेश्चन 2018 ऊपर ही आछि ओके तो प्रथम क्वेश्चन कौन देला ना हु हैज बीन क्राउंडेड फेमिना मिस इंडिया वर्ल्ड 2018 ऑप्शन देला श्रेया राव बी हैला अनुकृति बास थर्ड ऑप्शन हैला मीनाक्षी चौधरी और फोर्थ ऑप्शन हैला नीलम खुराना तो हमारा आंसर कौन हो ना ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर दैट इज अनुकृति भास क्लियर अनुकृति भास ओके समस्त समझ में आसला ओके प्रथम क्वेश्चन आंसर हैला अनुकृति भास नेक्स्ट which re-owned personality has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the Sikkim government okay Sikkim government ro brand ambassador ओ पर्सनालिटी आ भितरु हेचंती ऑप्शन अछि अक्षय कुमार ए आर रहमान विराट कोहली सचिन तेंदुलकर तो हमर आंसर हबो ऑप्शन नंबर बी दैट इज ए आर रहमान क्लियर ए आर रहमान has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the Sikkim government. Third question, the first annual Indian Air Force Commanders Conference 2018 world held in which city? Okay, 2018 रे फर्स्ट biannual Indian Air Force Commanders Conference एटा को सिटी रे हेतला न्यू दिल्ली गुवाहाटी पुणे मुंबई ओके न्यू दिल्ली गुवाहाटी पुणे मुंबई तर हमर आंसर हबो कोन ना आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर ए दैट इज न्यू दिल्ली क्लियर नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ नेशनल स्टैटिस्टिक्स डे 2018 नेशनल स्टैटिस्टिक्स डे 2018 जोटा तार थीम कौन थिला ओके ऑप्शन अछि स्टैटिस्टिक्स फॉर कॉमन मैन और क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस इन ऑफिशियल स्टैटिस्टिक्स और स्टैटिस्टिक्स फॉर न्यू इंडिया और स्टैटिस्टिक्स फॉर डेवलपमेंट ओके और हमर ऑप्शन आंसर कौन होबा हमर ना आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी दैट इज क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस इन ऑफिशियल स्टैटिस्टिक्स ओके क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस इन ऑफिशियल स्टैटिस्टिक्स नेक्स्ट who has been crowned as the India's first tribal queen okay प्रथम ट्राइबल क्वीन किए पंचामी माझी रश्मि रेखा हंसदा तुलसी मुंडा और पल्लवी दुरुआ ओके तो आंसर होगा हमर कोन ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द राइट आंसर दैट इज पल्लवी दुरुरा has been crowned as the India's first tribal queen clear next under India Smart Cities Award 2018, which smart city has been selected for City Award for showing great momentum in implementation of project? Option है जबलपुर, next विशाखापट्टनम, next सूरत और पुणे. Okay, जबलपुर, विशाखापट्टनम, सूरत और पुणे. आंसर होगा हमारा कौन? आंसर होगा हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर सी दैट इज सूरत क्लियर ऑप्शन नंबर सी दैट इज सूरत इज द राइट आंसर ओके आज जहाँ भी क्लास सेशन हम आर पीडीएफ मो टेलीग्राम चैनल जोड़ा अच्छी सुनील्स करेंट अफेयर डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक भी दे दीजिए तो थ्रू आप जॉइन हो पारे जदि लिंक थ्रू रे डिस्क्रिप्शन में जॉइन हो पाना किसी टेक्निकल एरर रोचे डायरेक्ट आप टेलीग्राम में सर्च बॉक्स में सर्च करूँ सुनील्स करेंट अफेयर मो चैनल आपको देखाई आप जॉइन करेंगे कारण जो क्लास कर तार पीडीएफटा से अपलोड कर क्लीयर आ जो मैंने सेशन को देखुं पूरा एंड जाए देखते ओके ताहले किसी लाभ मिल आपको स्किप करते किसी लाभ मिलवानी ओके तो आओ जो मैंने नुआ देखुं से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करूँ जो भल लगे आज सेशन तो लाइक करेंगे शेयर करेंगे ओके तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हु हैज बीन सोन इन एज द न्यू प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इटली न्यू प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इटली हु हैज बीन सोन इन एज द न्यू प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इटली ऑप्शंस अच्छे मैटियो साल्विनी सर्जियो मैटेरिला ग्यूसेपी कंटे और लुइगी डी मायो ओके मैटियो साल्विनी सर्जियो मैटेरिला गुइस्पेसी कंटे और लुइगी डी मायो तो इटली रो प्राइम मिनिस्टर अभी किए ऑप्शन कौन हम आंसर कौन हम ना ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी दैट इज गुइस्पी कंटे ओके गुइस्पी कंटे नेक्स्ट What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2018? India rank कौन? What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2018? 2018 रे जो Global Peace Index ହେଇଥିଲା ତା ଦେହରେ India rank କେତେ? 138th, 139, 129th, 136th or 128th? Okay. Answer of option number C, that is 136. Okay. 136. Clear? 136 होची India rank Global Peace Index 2018 है. Next. What is the theme of 2018 World Ocean Day? 2018 World Ocean Day ର theme कौन थिला? Prevent ocean from plastic pollution, our ocean, our future, healthy ocean, healthy planet, preventing plastic pollution, and encouraging solution for a healthy ocean. Okay. Answer of ଆମର କଣ ନା option number D is the right answer, that is preventing plastic pollution and encouraging solution for a healthy ocean. Okay, preventing plastic pollution and encouraging solution for a healthy ocean. Okay, next. Which Indian armed force is observing the year 2018 as year of disabled soldiers in line of duty? Okay. Option A Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, or is Indian Coastal Guard? Okay. Answer of option number A, that is Indian Army observed the year 2018 as a year of disabled soldiers in line of duty. Clear. Next. Who has been honored with the DRDO Lifetime Achievement Award 2017? Basudev Kalkunte Atre, or G Satish Reddy, or S Christopher, or V K Saraswat. Okay. तो आ भितर कौन हम ऑप्शन ऑप्शन हम आमर आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज V K Saraswat. ओके. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी जो अच्छी जी सतीश रेड्डी से होचंदी किए ना से फिलहाल डीआरडीओ रा चेयरमैन होचंदी. ओके. नेक्स्ट. द मिलिटरी एक्सरसाइज ऑफ इंडियन आर्मी Gandhiv Gandhiv Vijay 2018 was concluded in which city? Okay. को स्टेट रे एटा concluded हेतला? ओडिशा, राजस्थान, हिमाचल प्रदेश और उत्तर प्रदेश. The answer will be option number B, that is Rajasthan. Okay. Rajasthan is the state जोठी की conclude हेतला Gandhiv Vijay 2018. Next. Upper part of a sea or aquatic ecosystem contain plankton and nekton or benthos. Okay. Upper part of sea or aquatic ecosystem कौन contain करची? plankton and nekton or benthos. The answer of हमारा option number A, that is plankton. Okay. Plankton. Next. Greenhouse effect is warming due to infrared rays reaching earth, moisture layer in atmosphere, increase in temperature due to increase in carbon dioxide concentration of atmosphere, or ozone layer of atmosphere. The answer of our answer will be option number C, that is increase in temperature due to increase in carbon dioxide concentration of atmosphere. Clear? Option number C is the right answer, that is increase in temperature due to increase in the carbon dioxide concentration atmosphere. Next. Study of interrelationship between organism and their environment is ecology, ecosystem, phytogeography or ethology. The answer of our kona ecology. Okay. Study of interrelationship between organism and their environment is ecology. Okay. ताको ecology कहा जाए. Next. Which is not correct about the right to privacy as per the judgment delivered by the Supreme Court of India? कोटा right to privacy नुहे आ भितर कोटा correct नुहे. Okay. Option देला it is a fundamental right of the citizen. It is an intrinsic part of Article 21 of the Constitution of India, or it is absolute, unlike the right to life and personal liberty, or it is an unanimous decision by a 9-judge bench of the Supreme Court headed by Honorable Chief Justice J.S. Khera. Okay. The answer of our kona? The answer of it is absolute, unlike to the right to life and personal liberty. Okay. It is absolute, unlike the right to life and personal liberty. It is correct about the right to privacy. Okay. Next. Which place will be the terminal for the first bullet train of India? Ahmedabad and Delhi, Ghoga and Dahej, Mumbai and Ahmedabad, Mumbai and Karnali. Okay. The answer of our Mumbai and Ahmedabad shall be the terminal for the first bullet train of India. Okay. Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Clear? Next. Which team did win the Ranji Trophy 2017-18? 2017-18 रे को टीम रणजी ट्रॉफी जोटा कि क्रिकेट पई तो किए जीतिथिला दिल्ली गुजरात मुंबई विदर्भ ओके आंसर अब हमर ऑप्शन नंबर डी दैट इज विदर्भ इज द विनर ऑफ रणजी ट्रॉफी 2017-18 Who is the recipient of दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड 2017 2017 रे दादा साहेब फाल्के पुरस्कार काहाकु दियाइथिला शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा विनोद खन्ना रीमा लागो श्रीदेवी ओके तो आंसर हम हमर कोन ना ऑप्शन नंबर बी दैट इज विनोद खन्ना नेक्स्ट which month shall be celebrated every year as the national nutrition month under पोषण अभियान ओके अंडर पोषण अभियान रे को मंथ को सेलिब्रेट करा जाए प्रति वर्ष एज नेशनल न्यूट्रिशन मंथ मार्च मई अगस्त और सितंबर तो आंसर अब हमर कोन ना ऑप्शन नंबर डी दैट इज सेप्टेम्बर मास को हमर सेलिब्रेट करा जाए एवरी ईयर एज द नेशनल न्यूट्रिशन मंथ अंडर पोषण अभियान who have won the 2018 Raman Magsaysay award okay Raman Magsaysay award 2018 किए जीतिथिले ना एमएस स्वामीनाथन एंड संजय राजाराम और भरत भातुआनी एंड सोनम वांगचुक और गौरी लंकेश एंड राजेंद्र सिंह और मन मेधा पाठकर एंड कैलाश सत्यार्थी ओके कैलाश सत्यार्थी तो आंसर अब हमर कोन ना ऑप्शन नंबर बी दैट इज भरत भाटवानी एंड सोनम वांगचुक ओके भरत भातुआनी and Sonam Wangchuk. Okay, clear. Next, which country has allowed women to drive with effect from June 2018? Okay, which country has allowed women को माने अधिकार दिया जाइतला जे जून 2018 रो इफेक्ट कराइतला कार्यकाल जे वुमेन माने भी ड्राइव करि परिबे को कंट्री एटा तंको करथिला ना ईरान सऊदी अरेबिया इराक एंड जॉर्डन ओके तो आंसर अब हमर कोन सऊदी अरेबिया ओके सऊदी अरेबिया फर्स्ट अलाउ करथिला तांको वुमेन्स को ड्राइव करिया पे ओके जोटा कि इफेक्ट हेतला जून 2018 रो नेक्स्ट which country did host the commonwealth heads of government meeting 2018 option is india australia denmark and england answer will be option number d that is england host करथिला commonwealth heads of government meeting 2018 ओके सेशन को पूरा एंड तक देखंतु पूरा 100 क्वेश्चन आम आज डिस्कसन करदबा सेशन को जदि आपण माने सेशन टा जदि आपन भल लागुची त लाइक करिवे शेयर करिवे और निश्चित चैनल ले नय आइतले सब्सक्राइब निश्चित करिवे ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन which city has been projected by the population division of the UN Department of Economic and Social Affairs to be the most populous city of the world in 2028 okay option will be Tokyo Delhi Beijing or Mumbai and the right answer is Delhi okay the right answer is Delhi next who is the author of the book Gandhi the years that changed the world 1914 to 1948 ए बुक रो जो बुक ना होची गांधी द ईयर दैट चेंज्ड द वर्ल्ड आरो ऑथर की अछंती ना ऑप्शन ला विपिन चंद्र रामचंद्र गुहा रोमिला थप्पर और फतिमा मीर तो आंसर अब हमर कोन ना रामचंद्र गुहा इज द राइट आंसर रामचंद्र गुहा इज द ऑथर ऑफ Gandhi the year that changed the world next which battle did put an end to the French challenge to British supremacy in India option will be battle of Seringapatam battle of Plassey battle of Buxar or battle of Vandiwas okay the answer of kono na battle of Vandiwas is the right answer clear next which is not correct Odisha was conquered by the British in 1803 এটা ঠিক না ঠিক নয় এটা ঠিক Odisha was ruled by the Maratha at the time of conquest এটা भी right answer Odisha was ceded to the East India Company by the Treaty of Argons এটা আমার wrong answer এটা ঠিক নয় this is not the correct answer okay Odisha was ceded to the East India Company by the Treaty of Argon okay this is not the right answer okay এটা correct নয় next Which act did introduce the principle of election? Indian Council Act 1892, Indian Council Act 1909, Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1935. The answer of our option number A that is Indian Council Act 1892. Where was the revolt of 1857 kindled? Okay, Delhi, Meerut, Barakpur or Lucknow? Okay, Delhi, Meerut, Barakpur, Lucknow. Answer hoga hamara kano? The answer will be option number B, that is Meerut. Clear? Next. Where was the headquarter of Ghadar Party established? Ghadar Party ର headquarter କୋଉଠି establish ହେଇଥିଲା? Vancouver, San Francisco, Portland or Berlin? The answer will be option number B, that is San Francisco. Clear? San Francisco is the right answer. Next. When did Gandhiji address a public meeting at Cuttack during the non-cooperation movement? Option will be January 24, 1921, March 23, 1921, March 27, 1921 or August 3, 1921. The answer will be option number B, that is March 23, 1921. Okay, March 23, 1921. Next, when did Gandhiji break the salt law at Dandi? March 12, 1930, March 16, 1930, April 5, 1930 or April 6, 1930. The answer will be option number D, that is April 6, 1930. Okay, April 6, 1930. Next, where did Subhash Chandra Bose establish the provisional government of Free India? Tokyo, Singapore, Bangkok or Berlin? Answer of Amara Singapore. Okay, Singapore is the right answer. Clear? Singapore of Amara right answer. Next, what is not correct regarding the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Preamble of Indian Constitution हिसाब रे option भितर कोड़ा correct नुहे. It embodies the ideal of the Constitution. It is an integral part of the Constitution, or it cannot be amended, or it is enforceable in the court of law. The answer will be option number D, C. That is, it cannot be amended. Next, what does Article 35A of the Indian Constitution provide for? In Article 35A रे कौन लिखा है? Now, in applicability of a declaration of national emergency in Jammu and Kashmir without concurrence by the government of state, or limitation of fundamental right of the armed force personnel deployed in insurgency area, or saving of laws with respect to permanent resident of Jammu and Kashmir and their right, or restriction of to citizens right in the area under force of martial law. Okay, the answer of our option number C, that is saving of law with respect to permanent residents of Jammu and Kashmir and their right. Clear? Next, who are the electors for the office of the vice president in India? Okay, elected member of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, or elected member of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and state legislative assembly, or elected member of only Rajya Sabha, or elected and nominated member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So answer of our answer will be option number T, that is elected and nominated member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Okay, elected and nominated member of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Next, what is an advance grant made by the parliament pending regular passage of the budget called appropriation bill, or vote on account, or vote on credit, or supplementary grant? The answer of our now that will be option number B, that is vote on account. Okay, vote on account. Next, which writ is issued by the Supreme Court of a Supreme Court or a High Court to command a public authority to perform a public statutory duty that is a part of their official duty but fail to perform? Option will be habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari or quo warranto. Okay, the option of answer of amara, that is option number B, mandamus. Okay, next, which subject has been transferred from the state list to the concurrent list by constitutional amendment? That is public health and sanitation, education, agriculture or road transport? Answer of our option number B, that is education. Okay, option number B, that is education. Next, when was the amendment providing constitutional status to municipalities made effective? 1991, 1992, 1993 or 1994? Okay, the answer will be option number C, that is 1993. Next, which is the largest constitution of atmosphere? Methane, oxygen, carbon dioxide, or nitrogen? The answer will be option number D, that is nitrogen. Okay, that is nitrogen. Which type of rock is granite? Sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic, or organic? The answer will be option number B, that is igneous. Next, what is not correct with regard to earthquake? Earthquake answer kuda correct nahi. It is caused by endogenetic forces of earth, or B option, the magnitude of energy released by it is measured by Richter scale, or the damage caused by it is measured by Mercalli intensity scale, or epicenter is the point deep under the ground where it actually begins. Okay, the answer will be option number D, that is epicenter. Epicenter is the point deep under the ground where it actually begins. Okay, next. Which state is not bisected by the Tropic of Cancer? Gujarat, Odisha, Bengal, Rajasthan. Okay, Gujarat, Odisha, Bengal, Rajasthan. Answer will be option number B, that is Odisha. Next. Why is Chilika Lake called a lagoon? It is formed due to damming of a section of a river channel, or it is formed due to flowing in of rainwater into local depression, or it is produced due to erosional and depositional action of waves in the coastal region, or it is formed by remnant of ancient ocean and sea area. The answer will be option number C, that is it is produced due to erosional and depositional action of waves in the coastal region. Next, which state has the longest coastline? Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, or Odisha? The answer will be option number A, that is Gujarat. Okay, answer will be option number A, that is Gujarat. Okay, ତ ଆଇ ହୋପ୍ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ ଏତେ ବୋର୍ ଲାଗୁନଥିବ। ତ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଆପଣ ଏଇଠି ଥରେ ମନେ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଆଉ ଥରେ ମୁଁ ପିଡିଏଫ୍ ଦେଇଦେବି, ସେଥିରୁ ଆନ୍ସର ପାଇଯିବେ ଆପଣ। ତ ରିଭିଜନ ଆଉ ଥରେ କରିଯିବେ, ମନେ ରହିଯିବ। ଓକେ, କ୍ଲିୟର। ତ ଯଦି ସେସନଟା ପସନ୍ଦ ଲାଗୁଛି ତ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ, ଆଉ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ନୂଆ ଥିଲେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କରନ୍ତୁ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, where are the oldest rock found? Himalayas, Aravallis, Siwalik, or Indo-Gangetic Plain? That is option number B, that is Aravallis. Okay, oldest rock would found is in Aravallis. Next, which state has the highest percentage of its geographical area covered by forest as per the government report of 2018? Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, or Mizoram? The answer will be option number D, that is Mizoram. Okay, highest percentage of its geographical area covered by forest, which is a tool of executive control to enforce administrative accountability, audit, pressure group, read, appointment, and removal. The answer will be option number D, that is appointment and removal. Next, what was the theme of the 21st National Conference on E-Governments in 2018? Theme କଣ ଥିଲା ଆମର? ନା, theme will be technology for accelerating development. Okay, and option number D is the right answer. Next, what is called a rolling plan? Rolling plan କଣ? Rolling plan ହଉଛି ଆମର a plan that changes its target and allocation every year. Okay, a plan that changes its target and allocation every year. ତାହେଲେ answer ହଉଛି ଆମର option number D. Clear? Next, which is the most appropriate measure of the country's economic growth? Gross domestic product, net domestic product, gross national product, or per capital real income? Answer कौन होगा हमारा? ना, answer will be option number D, per capital real income. Next, which is the first open defecation free state? Rajasthan, Kerala, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh? The answer will be option number C, that is Sikkim. Next, which scheme is intended to provide market-relevant skill development training to the youth? Sampada, Swayam, Saksham, or Sankalp? The answer will be Sankalp. Okay, option number D is the right answer. Next, what is the product Ulta Chhatta used for? Option will be retaliating attack, recycling plastic, tracking absconded criminal, or conserving and harvesting rainwater. The answer will be option number D, that is conserving and harvesting rainwater. Okay, conserving and harvesting rainwater. Clear? Your next question. Which is the first indigenous battle tank of Indian Army? Ajay, Arjun, Bhishma or Vijayant? Okay, the answer will be option number D, that is Vijayant. Whereas the Rafale aircraft acquired from England, France, Italy, Switzerland. The Rafale plane could have seen option number B, that is France. Okay, next. Where is the Indian National Defence University under construction? Amethi, Pune, Binola or Dehradun? Answer will be Binola. Okay. Next, what is the lander of Chandrayaan 2 named as Raman, Kalam, Homi or Bikram? Answer will be option number D. That is Bikram. Okay. Chandrayaan 2 ର ଯୋଉ lander ଥିଲା ତା ନାଁ ଥିଲା Bikram. Next, what are the non-stick cooking utensil coated with? Anodized aluminum, enameled cast iron or Teflon or copper? तो कोटा कोटेड कराइछि ना टेफ्लॉन. ओके, टेफ्लॉन is the right answer. Next, what was the theme of World Earth Day observed worldwide to demonstrate support for environment protection? Theme कौन थिला हमर World Earth Day जोड़ा हितला तार theme कौन थिला? The answer will be option number D, that is end plastic pollution. Okay, एटा थिला तार theme. Next, what is not correct with respect to Olive Ridley Sea Turtle? Olive Ridley Sea Turtle ଉପରେ କୋଉଟା ଏ ଅପସନ ଭିତରୁ କରେକ୍ଟ ନୁହଁ? ଅପସନ କଣ ଅଛି ନା ଗହିରମଥା is world's largest known nesting and breeding ground of such type of turtle. Next, two other mass resting beaches for such turtle in Odisha located at mouth of river Rusikulya and Daya. Next, the age of such turtle hatch at night and the hatchling are highly sensitive to light, or their species are recognized as vulnerable in the red list of IUCN. The answer ଆମର କଣ ହବ ନା answer will be option number B. Okay, correct କୋଉଟା ନୁହଁ ନା option number B, that is two other mass nesting beaches for such turtle in Odisha are located on mouth of river Rusikulya and Daya. Clear? Next, which is not mentioned as a greenhouse gas in the Kyoto Protocol to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Option will be carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, nitrous oxide. The answer कौन होगा ना हमारा ना option number B, that is carbon monoxide. Next, whose concept was non-aligned movement? Marcel Joseph Bruce Tito, Sukamo, Gamal Abdel Nasser or Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer will be option number D, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, ଆଉ ରହିଲା ଆମର କେତେ 35 question ଆଉ ରହିଲା. Who is eligible to be the chairman of Human Rights Commission of India? The sitting Chief Justice of India, a former Chief Justice of India, a former Judge of Supreme Court or a former Chief Justice of a High Court? The answer of option number B, that is a former Chief Justice of India is eligible to be the chairman of Human Rights Commission of India. Okay, next, which of the following statement is correct about the President of India? Option कौन देला ना address first session of parliament after each general election, or address first session of parliament at the beginning of each year, or address every session of parliament, or never address parliament? The answer will be option number A, that is address first session of parliament after each general election. Clear? Next, who of the following founded the Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association? Mahatma Gandhi, J.B. Kripalani, N.M. Joshi or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Okay, option will be, sorry, answer will be option number A, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Clear? Next, 82.5 degree east longitude is geographically significant to India because it determines the Indian Standard Time. It was a bearing on the tropical climate of India, or it divides India into eastern and western zone, or it enables determining local time in eastern India. The answer amar कौन होगा? The answer will be option number A, that is it determines the Indian Standard Time. Okay, it determines the Indian Standard Time. Next, For regulation of the insurance trade in the country, the government has formed. Option will be SEBI, Reserve Bank of India, or Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, or General Insurance Corporation. The answer will be option number C. That is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Okay, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Next, for what is the Manas sanctuary is in Assam known? Bears, rhinos, elephant or bison? Okay, the answer of our na elephant manang pai Manas sanctuary Assam jeta seda famous. Next, historians are of the view that the British signed the Treaty of Versailles in 1802 with a cipher. Who was this cipher? Raghunath Rao, Daulat Rao Sindhia, Bajirao II, or Nana Fadnavis? Okay, the answer of a na Bajirao II. Clear? Option number C is the right answer. Next, in India, how many states share the coastline? 7, 8, 9, or 10? The answer will be option number D, that is 9. Next, which of the following mountain ranges form a dividing line between the Ganges plain and the Deccan plate? Option will be Arabic, Vindhya, Satpura, or Ajanta. The answer will be option number C, that is Satpura. Clear? Next, Integrated Kasang Hydroelectric Project and the Science Hydroelectric Project, which are being supported by Asian Development Bank, are located in which of the following state? The full state को following एटा करछि ना Himachal Pradesh. Clear? Himachal Pradesh. Option number B is the right answer. Next, via which among the following amendment of the Constitution of India Delhi was designated as National Capital Territory (NCT)? Option will be 63rd Amendment Act, 69th Amendment Act, 74th Amendment Act, or 76th Amendment Act. The answer will be option number B, that is 69th Amendment Act. Next, what is the current repo rate in the second bi-monthly monetary policy review of RBI for fiscal year 19? 6.50, 6.25, 6 point or 6.75%? The answer will be option number B, that is 6.25%. Next, which among the following act has not been enacted by Parliament of India? AFSPA, POTA, MCOCA, or FEMA? Answer will be option number C, that is MCOMA. Okay, MCOCA. Clear? Next, who among the following has written the book titled The Perils of Democracy? The Perils of Democracy ର writer କିଏ? PS Ramon Rao, PC Alexander Gurudas Kamath, or Shankar Dayal Sharma? The answer will be option number B, that is PC Alexander. Next, who among the following was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? First speaker of Lok Sabha किए ଥିଲେ ଆମର? ନା गणेश वसुदेव मावलंकर, or M.A. Iyengar, or Sardar Hukum Singh, or N. Sanjeeva Reddy? The answer will be option number A. Answer of our option A, Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. Okay. Next, the 90 East Ridge is the submarine volcanic ridge located in Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, or Arctic Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, or Arctic Ocean. The answer of our that is Indian Ocean. Okay, Indian Ocean is the right answer. Next, which among the following would be the longest day in Australia? June 21, September 22, December 22, or March 23? The answer will be option number C, that is December 22. Next, the Hindu and Jain mythology refer to which among the following as the center of the universe? Mount Kailash, Ujjain, Mount Meru, or Pushkar Lake? The answer of our The answer will be option number C, that is Mount Meru. Okay, Mount Meru. Next, bring out the sea which has no coastline. White Sea, Tasmanian Sea, Sargasso Sea, or Japan Sea? The answer will be option number C, that is Sargasso Sea. Next, which among the following is the largest tropical lake in the world, largest tropical lake in the world रे किए अछि लेक विक्टोरिया, लेक मलवाई, लेक किवू और लेक तुर्काना. Okay, लेक तुर्काना. The answer will be option number A, that is Lake Victoria. Okay, next. On which among the following dates World Hindi Day is celebrated? World Hindi Day is celebrated on January 10. Okay, January 10 is the right answer. Next, which among the following viceroy was associated with the Libbert Bill controversy? Lord Curzon, Lord Lyot, Lord Ripon, or Lord Hardinge? The answer of our option number C, that is Lord Ripon. Next. Oh. Next. Arrange the following event or movement in the correct order of their chronology. Okay. Kandalana Rowlatt Act Satyagraha, Civil Disobedience Movement, Boycott of Seaman Commission or Quit India Movement. Okay, ताको अरेंज करिया कोथिरे ना करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ क्रोनोलॉजी. तो ऑप्शन तले हमर फर्स्ट कोडा आस्तिला ना फर्स्ट हमर आस्तिला कोटा ना रावलट एक्ट, देन हमर आस्तिला बॉयकॉट ऑफ सेमन कमीशन, देन सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट, देन क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The only session of Indian National Congress which was presided by Mahatma Gandhi was held at Belgaum, Faizpur, Allahabad or Karachi. Okay. Option of answer of na Belgaum. Next. At which among the following place national flag was hosted for the first time in India? प्रथम थर पे national flag हमरा host कराइथिला कोस्ट प्लेस रे लखनऊ, नागपुर, कोलकाता और दिल्ली. Okay, लखनऊ, नागपुर, कोलकाता, दिल्ली. The answer of our option number C, that is Kolkata. Clear? Next, bring out the only incorrect statement. अभी तो code incorrect statement. Kaveri is the longest river in Tamil Nadu. India is the second largest producer of chilies after China. Regulation Act 1773 established a Supreme Court in India. Attorney General of India is appointed as per Article 1976. Okay. The answer of our option number B भी होगा incorrect and option number D भी होगा incorrect. Okay. India is the second largest producer of chilies after China. এটা incorrect. ଆଉ option number D जोड़ा ଅଛି Attorney General of India appointed as per Article 1976. এটা भी हमारा incorrect. Okay. Next. UTYAMI helpline is for large capital industry, female entrepreneur, farmers introducing technology in farming, or micro, small and medium size enterprises. Okay, the answer of our option number D, that is micro, small and medium size enterprises. Okay, micro, small and medium size enterprises. Next, what is the upper limit of RTGS transaction in India? RTGS जो बैंक रे हमारा ट्रांजैक्शन होता है इंडिया रे तार upper limit केते 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh और no limit. The answer will be no limit. Okay. Next, the who among the following has written the book Growth and Finance? Okay, Growth and Finance book रा writer किए बिमल जैसन, के सुब्बा राव, आर sorry C Rangarajan or Amartya Sen. Okay, the answer will be option number C, that is C Rangarajan. Next, which among the following is popularly known as mercantile law of India? Contract law, law of tort, labor law or property law? The answer of option number A, that is contract law. Next, last page. Okay, last 5 question. Mutual funds are regulated in India by which among the following? RBI, SEBI, Stock Exchange or RBI and SEBI both? The answer will be SEBI. Okay. Next, in which year Mission Olympic in Army program was launched? 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002. The answer will be 2001. Okay. Next, check which is not an agency of a UN. UN no kuda agency no hai. International Committee of Red Cross, FAO, IMF or ILO. Answer will be option number A, that is International Committee of Red Cross. Next, an Indian who became President of International Court of Justice is Dr. Nagendra Singh, Justice Arun Thakur, Justice P.L. Bhagwati, or Justice H.R. Reddy. The answer will be option number A, that is Dr. Nagendra Singh. Next, which of the following country is not a permanent member of UN Security Council? China, Japan, Russia, France. Okay, the answer will be option number B, that is Japan. Next, who has become the first Indian cricketer to score 2000 runs in T20 international cricket? Mithali Raj, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Harmanpreet Kaur. The answer will be option number A, that is Mithali Raj. Clear? Women cricket team ro player Mithali Raj जे कि former captain भी ଥିଲେ Indian women team रे. Okay, now she is only a player. ओके, तो 100 क्वेश्चन आम डिस्कसन करदे. आई होप आप समस्त को सेसन टा भल लगे. 2019 जीके क्वेश्चन जोड़ा एसओ पड़ता सेक्रेटेरिएट रो. तो जदि सेसन टा भल लगी लाइक करूँ, शेयर करूँ, चैनल यदि नुआ अच्छा सब्सक्राइब करूँ. आर पीडीएफ मो टेलीग्राम चैनल जोड़ा तार ना हूँ सोनिल्स करेंट अफेयर्स देदेवि डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक देछि. क्लियर? तो चलतु आज सेसन को ये रखा. जय जगन्नाथ.